Guys, what's up? It's me, it's Captain 83 with a special aircraft review video. Right now, the history on the 727 commercial airliner. The 727 was developed around in the early 60s to compete with the British Trident and later with the BA-1 excuse me, with the BA-111 of those two European trijets, as more airlines began to receive the trijet. But as U.S. airliners such as Alaskan Airlines, Northwest Orient, Southwest Airlines, Continental Airlines, Delta, United, have all purchased the 727 and includes Air Canada. Now, this classic trijet configuration is from skymarks. It's a United 727 222 in the 1/100 scale. All right. Let me show you the basics of this aircraft. The 727 trijet has a configuration to see around about 230 passengers and crew. Now, this aircraft was used on short to medium, on medium flights. On domestic flights throughout the U.S. until the mid-2000s, and this aircraft was eventually phased out. It was a very classic aircraft, but the problem with the 727 is right back here, if you could look right here in the tail section, because you got the engine right there, and when a 727 is in flight, it would be so noisy. I had some experiences flying on the 727 myself with Continental Airlines back in the 1990s. And I got in a really bad seat on the 727, and which was right here. I'll run the camera back just a little bit so you can see it. And the registration number on this aircraft, November 7289 uniform. Now, there are only about two 727s that are in museums. One's in the Museum of Science and Industry in Chicago, and the other is at Boeing's Museum of Flight in Everett, Washington, which that they have a American Airlines and a United 727 at the museum, where you'd be able to see this aircraft and other aircraft such as the City of Everett, the 747, and the British Aerospace Aerospatiale Concorde. I'll give you a couple of views of the aircraft. Now, one of the most unique features on the 727, now let me do this for 1 minute, is right here in the near the tail section is a pair of steps. This aircraft was used, well, actually the steps were used mostly for passengers to load from the back of the aircraft instead of using the L1 door. And being a classic jetliner like the 727, as you can see here, as the aircraft is in flight. But this aircraft does not feature landing gear. Let me put it back on the stand for a minute. There we go. And also, the reason why the airlines needed an aircraft to compete with its rival, Douglas Aircraft, that Douglas had developed the Douglas DC-9 back in 1964. Now, I got this aircraft about a few years ago from the airplane shop in New Jersey. And this is a very proud example of a true of a true legendary jetliner like the 727. With this tri-jet review, that is it for now. This is Captain 8380 signing off for now. Have a wonderful day.